Are you worried about damaging your hearing? Have you experienced any mental fog or a decrease in your memory as of late? Is the thought of having to rely on a hearing aid frightening to you? You can take steps to protect your ears from damage starting today. This new and improved Cortexi formula works to shield your ears using only research-backed, all-natural ingredients combined in the precise ratios required to support healthy hearing, which comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Get huge discount from official website today, only given in the description. The struggle to hear in a crowded room or missing out on vital details in a discussion. Cortexi steps in as the game changer, addressing these everyday hearing challenges with precision and clarity. Cortexi comes with 360-degree hearing support, which ensures you capture every beat, every note, and every word with unparalleled clarity. Cortexi is armed with a powerful blend of natural ingredients like it fights harmful bacteria, strengthens your auditory foundation, and soothes any inflammation. It's a holistic approach to sound that transcends the surface, ensuring a world of clarity and connection. Imagine a life where you can fully engage in conversations. Visit the official Cortexi website, linked in the description for an exclusive discount, and take the first step towards a world of vibrant sound. Don't wait, transform your auditory journey with Cortexi today.